Yo, what's good? This video is for all the dreamers, the ones who still see their visions and everything they thought their life would be. Whoever hit that block where you feel like you don't want the same things you used to. I'm sure if you can relate to me, you've reached that point where you feel like, it just doesn't feel the same. And you want something new. And it just feels like you're not making any progress. Well, and it's time to change your focus and just live your life. Now, you can listen to me or you don't have to listen to me, but there's a reason why this channel is called Nova Talk To. I'm just here to talk to those who can relate, man. We all got to that point where we felt like we're not doing enough. And you were so fixated on this thing you thought would come or you thought you deserved. Now, I'm not saying just relinquish everything and give it all up, but what I'm saying is understand who you truly are and figure it out. Stay disciplined to what you want to stay disciplined to. But remember, what is it that you truly seek? Is it the money, the materials? Is it feeling like you have something to prove? Ask yourself that question. Why am I really doing this? Because at some point you'll realize that many of the reasons you started doing what you were doing was never for yourself. It was always just to show someone that you can do it, or to reach this goal that was never really yours. So, ask yourself that question. Why am I really doing this? Sit with yourself. Really reflect on this. And if you can't find the answer or the same answer that you used to find, then you know you're truly evolving. Because the same reasons you did it before won't be the same reasons you do it now once you finally understand who you are. That is for all my visionaries. Look deeper than the surface. Because one day when you leave this vestibule, do you know where you go to? Do you understand why you were assigned the struggles that came into your life? Do you know what your true purpose is? What your true mission is? Figure that out first.